Okay, you guys, next video. Wife went and bought a greenhouse from Amazon. About approximately $68. I'm going to put a link below in the description so you guys can see what it is. I didn't go to the trouble of making a lengthy video, putting it together. It was pretty much like Legos. You follow the instructions and you were good to go. Couldn't find the instructions at first. That didn't help out. Trying to get a picture of it. When we opened up the plastic film that goes over the unit, the cover, that's where the instructions were. They were inside there. So then I counted all the pieces, make sure we had the correct count. That helped the count because there were different numbers on each of the pieces, so I could tell what length they were using by the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the pipes and stuff like that. Didn't have a lot of trouble. Went together pretty quick in less than 10 minutes, I guess. Cover took another 5 minutes to get on. It was a little tricky, but we got it on. You'll see that in the video. It looks adequate enough for my last couple years. Even the film felt like 6 mil on the film. Heavy trash bag, construction trash bag. Did not feel that cheesy. So that could be a very good thing. Looked like there was some vents there, a bunch of tie downs. I even tested the zippers after I ended the video, make sure they zip it all the way down. They did. So the cover is pretty precise the way it's made. I guess my wife's going to enjoy it. She's been dying for me to do projects around the house, and I'm pretty busy at work, so when I get home I'm a little bit tired. I don't do a lot of projects at home, but I did this one for her this weekend, so she's happy. Now I got 10 more to go, at least. By the time I get done, those done, she'll have 20 more for me, so that's just the way it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Enjoy your next project, and I'll see you on the next one, right? Bye. Okay, you guys, this is our little greenhouse for my wife. I think she paid under 70 bucks for it on Amazon. Almost 78 inches high, but approximately 57 inches wide, and about 30 inches deep. It's got a shelf there, and on the bottom they call that a shelf also. So they call this streets here. Went together okay once we found the instructions. At first we couldn't find the instructions. They were where the plastic was folded up, the film that goes on the outside. Once we found that, then things started to go together a lot easier. First thing I did was count the parts. Make sure I had the proper amount of parts before I started, because it didn't look like it. I did have the proper parts, proper amount according to the instructions. You have the instructions with you? I'm going to open that up and show you that so you guys get an idea what it looks like. Okay, so 78 almost, 29 inches deep, and approximately 57 inches wide. Okay, I'll show you the instructions in a second. Okay, there is the instructions. On top it tells you how many pieces you're supposed to have. Not exactly precise measurements on the first length of tubes. So I had to count to make sure I had the proper amount of each one. I started with the bottom part, which was a little difficult to get used to. Got to the second part. Got tripped up over here, this part here, because it looks like it's going to be another tier, but it's not. Got everything assembled. Put the shelves on. And it didn't show illustration on how to put the plastic film on there. So I had to figure that out. It wasn't that difficult. We figured it out. You guys could be able to see that. We definitely figured out how to put the film on. And there it is. End the video.